Welcome to today's history quiz. Let's test your knowledge with 12 challenging questions. Ancient history. Which Mauryan ruler issued the first non-inscription in Kharoshthi script? Chandragupta Maurya, Bindusar, Ashok, Dashrath Maurya. The answer is Ashok. Which Buddhist texts describe the life of Gautam Buddha in detail? Deepvamsa, Mahavamsa, Lalit Vistar or Milinda Pano? Answer is Lalit Vistar. Which ancient university was destroyed by Bhaktiar Khilji in 1193 AD? Takshila, Nalanda, Vikramshila, Vallabhi. Which one is correct? Nalanda. The famous Prayag Prashasti Allahabad pillar inscription was composed by Kalidas, Harisena, Banbhatta or Ushakadatta. Answer is Harisena. Which ruler is associated with the installation of Garud pillar at Besnagar? Ashok, Harsh, Heliodorus, Kanishk. The answer is Heliodorus. Medieval history. Who introduced the Persian festival of Nowruz in India? Babur, Akbar, Balban, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. The answer is Balban. Who built the famous Adai Din Ka Jhopda in Ajmer? Qutubuddin Aibak, Iltutmish, Alauddin Khilji, Muhammad Ghori. Qutubuddin Aibak. Who among the following constructed the Atala Masjid in Jaunpur? Ibrahim Shah Sharki, Sikandar Lodi, Firoz Shah Tughlaq, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. The answer is Ibrahim Shah Sharki. Which of the following regions was not under Vijayanagar rule? Goa, Odisha, Madurai or Karnataka? The answer is Odisha. Modern history. Which among the following governor generals introduced the Rayotwadi system in India? Lord Wellesley, Lord Cornwallis, Lord William Bentinck, Sir Thomas Munro. Which one is correct? Sir Thomas Munro. The Ilbert Bill controversy 1883 led to which of the following outcomes? Indian judges were granted equal authority as British judges, the rise of communal politics in India, the first demand for Swaraj by the Indian National Congress, or the passage of the Vernacular Press Act. What do you think? The rise of communal politics in India. Who was the founder of the Wahabi movement in India? Sayyid Ahmad Barelvi, Haji Shariatullah, Shah Waliullah, Sayyid Amir Ali. Sayyid Ahmad Barelvi is the answer. Which revolutionary was associated with the Delhi conspiracy case in 1912 involving the attempted assassination of Viceroy Lord Hardinge? Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Raj Bihari Bose, Surya Sen. Answer is Raj Bihari Bose.